Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. This is the Wolfbox X3 Pro dashcam, and what immediately caught my attention is that it isn't just a basic dashcam. This one is clearly built around image quality and real evidence, especially if you're filming at night. This is the parts list. Before installing the dashcam, make sure you have everything. Inside the box, you got the front and rear cameras, as well as auto mounting hardware and cable. You also get 4 of these electrostatic stickers, which makes the installation and removal of the dashcam from your window super easy. The user manual was well written and very easy to understand. There's a lot of illustrations to help you with the installation process. There's also information on how to configure and set this up with your mobile device. The rear camera uses a Sony StarViz 2 sensor with HDR. This will make the night footage stay clear and headlights won't wash everything out. That means readable license plates and solid evidence if you're rear-ended or hit from behind. It also has a wide field of view, so you're capturing more than just the car behind you. You get a full picture of what's happening in your lane and the lanes next to you. This is the front camera and the brain for the X3 Pro. It is very small and compact and has a built-in GPS antenna, which will keep track of your location and speed. It also uses a dual Sony StarViz sensor with HDR, which makes a big difference if you drive at night. Headlight glare and motion blur is reduced, which provides better recordings of what's in front of you. Even in dark tunnels or rainy days, you're going to get clear images of the license plate. It also comes pre-installed with a 64GB high-endurance memory card. This is a good starter card. However, if you want longer recordings, I highly recommend that you upgrade it to 256GB. If you need more storage, some memory card size supported is 512GB. You will want to use a high-endurance microSD cards class 10 or higher. The thing that makes this camera different than others, the front camera can record at 2.5K resolution at 60 frames per second. Most modern dash cams stop at 30 frames per second, which is great for local streets, but if you're driving on freeways, it becomes very blurry. At 60 frames per second, you get double the visual data. So if someone cuts you off or takes off, you're most likely to catch their license plate. You also get this long cable for installing the rear camera. It uses a standard USB-C connection. The cable is long enough for an SUV, truck, or a standard car. They also include extra adhesive cable management clips as well as a plastic pry bar. For the power source, you just need to plug it into your car adapter. Here's some great features I like about this dash cam. It has an anti-shake system, which stabilizes the image, giving you ultra-smooth videos. It also feels very modern to use. There's a large 3-inch touchscreen. They also have ADAS alerts that warns you about lane departures and forward collisions. It also accepts voice commands. Installing a dash cam is the easiest way to protect your property. There's a lot of people driving without insurance and will take off if they hit someone.